Hello guys, you're welcome back to our training for today on the Chima Dedicated Video channel. This training is part of our ongoing training on Google Tools Masterclass for Virtual School System and Online Classroom. So in today's video, I want to show you exactly how to make general class or school announcements. If you're running a virtual school system, just like the mortar and brick system will run the traditional system, where you always make announcements either to parents or to students or all that. You can as well do that in a virtual school system like Google Classroom. So this video is quite all about how to do just that, a very short video. Now, I want to encourage, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video. And if you want to join an online class, please indicate using the comment box. And I'm going to include drop a link on how you can join the class that is running now. It's free for now, so this is the best time for you to join that class. Now, when you come here, I just clicked on the Google Classroom app. It opens here. Now, the question you may be wondering, what are all of this? The reason why you are seeing all of this these are the classes I'm part of. You can see so many classes, and all of these classes are hosted under this particular Gmail account. Remember, Google Classroom is a Google tool. You cannot use Google Classroom if you don't have a Gmail account, which is Google Mail. And every Google Classroom is hosted on the particular Gmail. And one good thing about Google Classroom is that one Gmail can host many classes. You can see so many classes here. Now, in all of these classes you see, in some of them, I'm just a student, while in some of them, I'm just the teacher. So the ones I'm a student, I can only access students' area. The one I'm a teacher, I'm fully in charge to control the system. So I'm going to click on the one I want to deal with right now, where I'm also a teacher, because I want to make announcements. You too will learn and do it. So this is the one I want to talk about. That is this. Look at this. Virtual classroom, with Google Tools. I want to click on it and make an announcement. So I click on it. Now just follow this. Anytime you open up this, you're going to see three major things here. Just look at it. You're going to see stream, classwork, and people. Most times in your own case, depending on what you're using, either a mobile phone or a laptop, these things might be up there. It doesn't matter wherever it is the same thing. So once you see all of this, where you make your announcement is on the stream page. And that is always the default page. Once you open up, that's the first thing you're going to see. So you're going to see announce something to your class. You exactly see what is there. Announce something to your class. Now I'm going to click inside that. Watch. When you are making an announcement, there are things you must know. It's just not about announcement. That's why this video is important. Now, do you see that somewhere here, the system wrote all students? If you think that this announcement you want to make, you don't want every student to know about it. Yes, you don't want to announce it to every student. Then the first thing you're going to do is to click inside all students. Now, click on we're going to select the students we want to send this into. Click on all students. You have deactivated all of them. Now choose the people you want to send the announcement to. Let's say it's only these two persons. Once I touch their names, I now click on done. And only those students will receive this information. But if I feel that no, I want it to be all students, I check this. Click on done. It's not to all students. I want everyone in my class to know about this. So you can see as a teacher, you can select who get that particular announcement. Maybe it's a very special information you want to give to few of your students to know about. You don't want others to know about it. So this is exactly what you're going to do. If you think that the parents are the ones accessing this class, and you want to give information to only few of the parents, you don't want others to know about it, you submit it and tell them, please, this is for you alone. Don't let any other member of the class to know about this. And that is it. That's how fantastic it is. Now, your announcement goes here. But most times, your announcement can be in different forms. What if you want to give an announcement and you want to drop an attachment? It could be that you are telling the class, children, please look at the link to the homework you are going to do during the weekend. And that's the announcment. This is Google Cloud. This is a virtual classroom system. You don't need to give yourself a headache. In fact, it's very possible. This is a weekend assignment they should do on a Saturday during the weekend. And you have just forgotten to announce to them in the classroom, in your normal classroom. And you come up here, you have gone home on that Friday evening, you go here, bam, you write it. And for the fact that the students are always going through this, they're going to see the announcement and see what you're telling them. And that's the beauty of virtual classroom system. Now you tell the children, for instance, let me just assume I want to do this. I say, okay. Hello, students. Please find attached your homework for the weekend. Remember, I'm just talking about that. It's very possible what you want to announce to them is just a whole newsletter. You want to talk about something. It's okay, children, take care of the following thing. Concerning your exam coming up, your mock exam coming up next week, look at the things I want you to get ready so that if you don't have these things, you are not going to be part of that exam. You list them. Remember, it's your choice. You know what you want to write here. You can write in any number of words you like here. But remember, announcement is always short. Are you getting it? Now, if you want to, instead of you wasting your time and writing here, most times the best way is to have written on an attached thing. I mean, you have written on a Word document, you now attach it and say, children, click on the attachment to see the information and all that. Now, if it happens to be that I'm attaching something like I've just written, I now click on add attachment. This attachment can come from any of these places. Number one, it can come from my drive. If what I want to give to the students are already in a particular drive folder, now I will add from drive, and once I click on add from drive, it's going to take me to my drive. I'll, click on that particular file, it will be downloaded. So when the children click on that attachment, it's going to take them to that file and they can view it or download it. It could be that I want to attach a link. This link could be any link. It could be normal, shareable link from maybe your PowerPoints or anything. So children go through this PowerPoint tutorial so that you can use it to do the exam or whatever. Anything you want to attach, you can attach it. Part of what we do on training, how to do this attachment, how to create things and produce attachment and all that. These are part of our training. Along our teacher project is concerned. We're going to equip teachers on how to do this stuff. Once you learn it, you're going to be happy you've done that. Now, it could be attachment from your YouTube channel. Now, it could be that you're uploading file from your system, from your phone directly. It could be that you're picking up a photo. You want to show them a particular photo. So, okay, children, look at this photo, and you're going to identify the areas marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is your assignment. And each child will see the photo and all that. It could be that you are taking a photo directly. It could be you are recording a video. It could be you are creating a new PDF. Whatever attachment you want to do, you just chose it. And that is it. In that case, you are giving the children what they need to do, and then you click on post. Automatically, this thing will be on the class announcement page on the stream. Once the child logs in, on that stream is the default page you see, or he or she sees first. And you're going to say, okay, announcement, teacher has given announcement. What is he talking about? They start reading it and taking action immediately. So this is exactly what virtual class is all about. Everything you can think about in that your mortar and brick system, you're going to find it here and much more. So that's where I'm going to stop the video. Remember, you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I'm encouraging you, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend to others. And if you have friends out there, it's a free resource. You can share these videos in your pages on WhatsApp, on your social media, so that your friends can benefit from it, especially where you have a teachers group where people need to learn all of this stuff. Please feel free to share these videos and benefit as many as possible. That's where we're going to stop. I wish you the best. If you want to join the class, please let me know and you're going to be part of our class. God bless you for watching.